Hi, welcome to Body Full of Joy. I'm Elaine, and here's your Joyful Minute. If you're like me and you need to get a little energy burst, one thing you can do is dance your way to fitness and have some fun. One of my favorite moves is a Conga, and usually we think of a Conga line, but we can do a little Conga right in place here by just moving our hips, and the rhythm is a 1, 2, 3, and tap, 1, 2, 3, and tap. So what you can do is add a little variation. I can go low, or I can go high, or I can give it a little kick, or I can give it a little bit of a knee up. But a conga is just involving the hips, moving side to side or front to back. And you can even be more aware of your physical distance by doing it in a 6 feet range side to side as you move your body and again, dance your way to fitness. So thank you so much for joining Body Full of Joy. Hope you have some fun. If you enjoyed this video, please see the other ones below along with the descriptions. And remember to move your body and love your mind. Bye for now.